This information is not meant to replace the advice from a medical treatment team. Caregivers should be aware of any special considerations of the veteran and themselves. Please consult a medical treatment team regarding any specific concerns. When helping a veteran with transferring from a walker to and from a tub shower, you could prevent falls and injury by following these tips. Make sure the floor is clear of items and dry prior to transferring to the tub bench. Use the recommended equipment like a walker. Use a transfer belt as needed. Have the veteran do as much as possible during the transfer. Using the walker, have the veteran turn away from the tub bench. Help the veteran back up to the edge of the tub bench so that the back of both legs are touching the bench. Then, help the veteran reach back to the bench seat with one hand while keeping the other hand on the walker. Slowly lower the veteran to the seat and make space by moving the walker out of the way. Have the veteran turn towards the tub and reach for the bench handle. Then, lift each leg into the tub. Next, have the veteran move towards the center of the bench. At this point, you can remove the transfer belt and remove any clothing. When helping the veteran get out of the tub, follow these steps. Have the veteran move towards the edge of the tub bench, and then have the veteran lift each leg over the tub onto the floor. Then have the veteran turn towards the outside of the tub. Dry the veteran and the floor prior to standing from the bench. Put on non-skid socks or shoes at this time. Put the transfer belt back on the veteran. For instructions on how to use the transfer belt, please refer to video number 1. Place the walker in front of the veteran. Keep in mind the caregiver should follow proper body mechanics by staying close to the veteran, keeping feet shoulder-width apart, keeping their back straight, and lifting with the legs. Have the veteran lean forward and place one hand on the walker while the other hand pushes off from the bench. Tell the veteran it is time to stand and count to 3 before helping the veteran stand.
Okay, I'm going to count to 3, and then you're going to stand up and place your hand on the walker. 1, 2, 3.
Once in a standing position, pause for a few seconds and make sure the veteran is steady before moving. Do you need more information on available VA resources and training regarding transfers? VA can provide veterans with necessary adapted equipment, such as shower chairs, grab bars, and non-skid tub strips. Please consult your VA healthcare provider for a referral to physical therapy and occupational therapy.